What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this video in which we'll talk about Lever Finance and the Lever token. We'll talk about some of the fundamentals surrounding the platform and also a little bit about the entire market. And then we'll kind of zoom into Lever specifically and we'll do a technical analysis. So let's get right into it. In general, I'll try to tell you everything you need to know. Lever was requested quite a bit, which I understand. I've covered Lever Finance a lot and I know that there's quite a significant part of the community following for Lever. So here it is. Here's your update. Lever Finance has not been doing very well. Obviously, we were very bullish with all the campaigns going on around the platform, but it was also a little bit manipulated. In the end, something you should know, if you don't know already, is that Lever Finance is quite manipulated. Usually, I mean, right now we're just bullish because of the market circumstances, I think, because the market has been strong and bullish, but overall, I mean, Lever Finance could right now shoot up by 100%, and it could have been unexpected, 100% manipulated. That can happen. That's just the way some coins are, and Lever Finance is, or the Lever token is one of those tokens. But then if we talk about Lever Finance, the platform, which is a leverage trading platform, right? What you can see is that right now, all right, total volume traded is 500,000. That's not a lot for a trading platform. Fees generated only $460. There's just not, it's not been going amazing with Leverfi, which is not great. I would even argue that fundamentally Lever Finance is not doing great. So this whole move, it's also not that big of a move. I think it's all really created by the bullish momentum, by the surrounding market. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, even right now, are doing amazing, and that kind of sevens through to Lever. But Lever on its own is not doing great. And I know personally of some great DeFi trading platforms coming out in 2023. And I'm just going to be brutally honest here. As I said, Lever the token can still do a lot of things because it has somewhat of a manipulated nature or manipulative nature. But I don't think Leverfi, sure it could grow, but I don't think it's going to be the leverage trading platform. And therefore I don't think, but that's my opinion, I don't think Lever is a good buy. Unless you're really aiming for those manipulated moves, which is obviously a strategy, it's a tactic. But yeah, that's my take on that. If we take a look at the technicals though, as I said, we're being pushed up by the market, and right now I still believe that, for example, Bitcoin today is again going up, and I genuinely do think that we can get even higher than this. So I think this bullish momentum in the market, together with Lever technically being bullish, all right? I mean, you can see that we've been in an uptrend ever since the 6th of January. And you can also see that our main resistance level right now is around 0.23 cents, and that we're forming some sort of and I don't really like to use formations like this, but we're forming something like this, all right? Some sort of a triangle. And so the technicals are bullish. We're making higher lows, and we're trying to break through our main resistance at 0.23. So technically, I do still think that we will stay in that structure for a little bit. So between 0.23 cents and ultimately 0.21 cents, which is a very strong support level. I think we'll stay on top of that or within that, and then somewhere in the upcoming days, I do expect us to break above our main resistance level at 0.23. 0.24 cents, and that we can actually make our way all the way up to the next price target at around 0.27 cents. That is what I expect, even though even after all that I've said about Lever Finance, I still think that at least the token can actually still be bullish in these market circumstances. So yeah, that's my take on it for today. If you want more updates on Lever Finance, or if you want to discuss anything, that's always possible. Just let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care, enjoy your Wednesday, and bye.